Just leave my... Yes. Pahiga ba? Put it there. Balik mo. Kalak na yun. No, you can, I think, purchase from, the app. First flyer. Okay, first flyer. East West?
Hindi pa kasi West.
Yeah, kaya nga, alam ko. Kasi I would know kapag meron ganyan.
RCBC wala.
Doon sila.
Pwede na. Yun na lang. For dito ka.
Any, how about this? Wala naman. Parang done. Sikip. Ay, baka they're not yet done. Okay na yan. Ano dito mo laptop?
Here. Okay lang.
You say, hi, my name is Zen. I'm from Culion.
Culion and Baguio. No, Baguio. And where are you going again? You're going to Japan, right?
I'm going to Japan.
For today.
Gago. Japan, Japan.
Kuya, video naman ah.
Or as whatever. Hindi ako marunong magbaba.
Hey, bye-bye!
All guests for this flight.
Read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat.
I'm so white here. Look. Look. Sorry, Mama. Baby, where are we now? Bangkok.
Hi guys. So we're back here in Bangkok.
Dapat dala mo yung mic.
It's just the two of us. Wala si Tita.
Wala si Mama. Yeah. Charot.
And we're going to be with our friends. It's just going to be a quick trip. Sama kayo sa amin.
They don't care though.
At hiwag. Kami lang. Sige, later na.
To our own hotel. Sa ano kami magsistay now? Sa Century Park Hotel. Free lang yon kasi kasi nag-member kami sa Astoria. Yeah. If may nag-invite sa inyo, guys, kunin nyo. Kasi for us, it's so sulit, diba? Kasi nag-travel naman kami always, so parang sulit siya. And free yun. Like, kung mag-member kayo or not, free siya. So, in-avail na namin yung free namin na 3 days, 2 nights sa Century Park. Tapos, yun lang. So, nasa Grab na kami on our way there. Bye! What? Bolt pala.
It's cheaper.
Hindi pala Grab, naka-Bolt. Bolt?
Yeah.
Naka-Bolt kami. Cheaper than Grab. So, Grab, magkano?
Mga 320 ba?
320 baht. Pero ito, lang, 295. O, diba? Yun lang. Bye. Oh, it's so nice. Pensioners.
Here's the cafe. And then that's the restaurant. That's the restaurant.
Yeah, let's maglalakad tayo.
Yan tayo main dish. Appetizers. We're here na lang. Pero if you want to walk, sige, okay lang doon. Oh, yeah nga. Ako din.
Wow. As a pensioner kami now, guys. So, we ordered pad thai and naka-buy one take one yung drinks nila now. So, there.
How much na ito? Parang 120 lang. Huwag na natin harap. Century lang.
OMG. I don't know how to zoom. Anyway, so yan. This is pad krapao. Pad krapao? Pad kramu? And I don't know.
Parang stir-fry din.
And pad thai. And naka-buy one take one yung drinks nila now. So, syempre, for the for the buy one take one. So, sobrang sulit. 180 lang, 180, 180. Diba? Instead of...
Parang 120 by 120.
Yeah. So, parang 60 lang siya. Instead of walking pa. Nagwa-wait lang kami to, check in. Why? I said... Wait lang. Here. Parang yung hotel natin. Pero siguro kaya nila sinabing madidilim yung hall.
Ito naman talaga before na.
Oh, sa City Grand, diba?
Ma, hindi pa siguro nakapag-hotel yung na ganito dati.
Na dark?
Oh, like yung mga classic na hotel.
Gago. Oh, it's so nice.
Anyway,
Ano yun?
yung isang button. Sige na, go.
I have to. Hi. Okay, round 2. Take 2 pala. Kasi nagpapalit kami ng room. Oh. No mirror na.
Ayun na nga. Just woke up. So, staycation lang talaga to eh. This is our view from the 20th floor. Nice. Ooh.
Hi, so it's officially our first night. Kakagising lang namin. Ano oras na?
9:20.
9:20 na. Kasi wala kaming tulog. So, ano ba yung bangs ko? Anyway, we're going to eat. Dapat pupunta kaming Pratunam. Kaso, ang mahal. Ang mahal ng Grab. Malayo pala yun dito. Nasa Pratunam na tayo.
Oh, yun lang. Pero kasi yung time, ano na.
Anyway, so we're going somewhere na lang for dinner. Tapos Kausan. I-meet namin sila Rio. Ang buhok ko nakaka-stress. Okay, bye! Ayun yung hotel namin, look. Libre lang to, diba? There. It's so nice. It's kinda old na. But it's nice. May mumu daw dito, char.
Sige.
Yeah, that's our hotel. It's libre if you're gonna member. So, mag-member na ka na. Na-refer namin kayo. Ay, massage din to, no?
Yeah, kasi sis. Ratcha prarop.
Dali, send ka kay mama.
Hey, take a picture of me.
That's our hotel.
Yes.
And
Diyan. Tawid tayo. Sa footbridge. Basta yan. Ay. Ba yan?
sige, go lang.
Basta, anyway.
Yeah! Oh, may mga ano. Nice side. Ay, may massage pa.
Yeah, if gusto mo. Kasi same yan doon sa mga init natin kanina. King Basic, Pat Kapaw. No, any.
Pararest. Ay, sige, tayo pa tayo. Hindi pa namin pa. May sabi na dito.
Ito na yung strip ako puntang Pratunam kasi.
Oh, yan. May sunshine pa lang.
Yes.
Sunshine. So, dito na lang pala kami kakain. Sinaya ko na dito. Pero dun tayo mag-ano, taxi.
Any, kahit dito na lang. Eh, bahala na yung driver mag-U-turn mamaya.
Let's just try our
cute. No, they're serving food din. And then you can have a bottle or two.
Here na lang. We don't need to ano.
Sige, wag na tayo mag-cross. Oo.
Hindi pala ako matatawid ko.
Actually, we stayed here na sa area na to before. This is just 15 minutes walk. Mga 15 to 20 minutes walk to Pratona Market. Choose ka na. Stir-fried squid on steam rye. And what's that? Crispy pork belly.
Crispy pork.
Let's eat. 80 baht each lang to. And then yung beer, 80 baht din. 700 ml na yun.
Kanina sa labas, it's so nice there. Pero umulan. Look. Looky. Di kita. Later, I will show you guys. And then may egg pa kami. Pero wala pa yung egg. And cheers! Cheers! Ay, hindi kita.
Babalik kami sa hotel kasi ba't kaya? Taing-tayang lola nyo. Take out daw. Ken take out ka. Going back to the hotel. Dito lang naman yan sa tabi, oh. Isang strip yan, mahaba yan. Mga 10-minute walk hanggang makarating kayo ng Pratona. And then there's a lot of restaurants. Tapos yung mga parang eatery yun na restaurants, hindi naman yung naka-aircon. Pero pa isa-isa may naka-aircon din.
Okay, round 2. Round 2 of our... Okay, round 2. Change costume.
Change costume?
Yeah. Change outfit. Ay, there. Anyway, we're going to Khao-San. Bye! Videoan ko daw siya tapos tell her, it's taxi. Nay, kung gagawin pala. There's taxi. Pero, oh yan, there's taxi. Yan o. Ha? Hindi, pumunta sa, baba na. Hindi siya dyan bababa. Ayun yun o. Iba na yan. Kuya. There's taxi. Ayun na nga yung taxi kasi. Bigyan ka.
We here. Yes, kaya nga.
Bar? Chili Loiki. May bar doon.
Sa Big Rock Show, Big Rock Show. Friday.
O ano naman?
Pag Saturday, marami.
Tama lang pala yung binayaran natin kasi kinompute ko kunwari. Taas! Taas!
Gawa ganun pa eh.
Hi, so I don't know if we're drunk or if we're not. We're here at Kaosan. Huh? Just ordered pad thai. There's the pad thai. And it smells like fruits forever here. Kaosan Road is the place. Yeah, so there. I don't know if we're drunk or if we're not.
Ano?
Me is the artist, Bebo is the cameraman. We're waiting for our grab. Ay, ano siya? Footworks. Bus na lang kami. Ayan yung bus. You cannot see. There's the bus. I think we're just gonna ride a bus. Okay, we're waiting for our grab. Sakit ng balik mata ko. Bebo, I told you, ikaw mag-camera sa akin. It's so here.
Ako mag-book
Ako na lang pala lagi.
So I can take a video of you.
Oh sige, ako mag-book. Ako na. Nakabook ka na eh.
Exact?
Alright. Please, please, please. Don't prove I'm right. Kung lang siya hindi pa bantay, bukas niya ayos yun.
Good morning. We're heading down for breakfast.